Dear viewers, Drishti IAS welcomes you to the new series of To The Point. Today's topic of discussion is Mughal era finals. First of all, let's see why is it in the news. Recently, a thunderstorm damaged the finial of the 17th century Jama Masjid dome in Delhi. The Delhi Waqf Board has requested the Archaeological Survey of India for its repair. Now let's discuss about finials. The finials are decorative devices used to emphasize the top of a dome and are most commonly seen in Sultanate and Mughal architecture. Wood, generally sal wood, was the main material used in the construction of Mughal era finials like Humayun's tomb. The encasing of wood in pure gold, copper, brass, etc. used to be done. During Sultanate period, the finials made up of stones were in vogue. The Mughal era copper gold finial seems to have been inspired by temple architecture. Decorative roof finials are also a common feature of Japanese and Malaysian religious and residential architecture. Now let's discuss about Jama Masjid. The Jama Masjid in Delhi was built by Mughal Emperor Shah Jahan during the 17th century. It is the largest mosque in India, mainly made up of white marble and red sandstone. The main architect was Ustad Khalil. There are 3 gateways to the Jama Masjid on the south, east and north sides. It resembles in plan the Moti Masjid of Agra but is much larger in size. Now let's discuss about Shah Jahan. He was the successor of Jahangir and reigned during 1628 to 58. He built the famous city of Shah Jahanabad, which today is known as Old Delhi. He built some famous historical monuments like Taj Mahal, Moti Masjid in Agra, Jama Masjid and Red Fort in Delhi. The technique of pietra dura was introduced by him in India. Now it's time for the practice question. Consider the following statements regarding finials. 1. Finials are the original invention of Islamic architecture. 2. Finials bear close resemblance to religious architecture found in Malaysia and Japan. Which of the statements given above is or are correct? 1 only, 2 only, both 1 and 2, or neither 1 nor 2? Send the answer of this question in the comment section. Stay tuned for the next episode. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Dear viewers, watch this topic in Hindi on our Drishti IAS Hindi YouTube channel.